name is Kyung-Sun Orr. I come from the Netherlands, and I'm an architect and also do architectural visualization. What I really like about State of Art Academy's Masterclass is you can see with our own eyes the master at work. Every day we come in and Roberto, he's got all the lessons planned for us, and he's talking non-stop, answering questions non-stop. There's not a question that we can ask that he can't have an answer for. It's really an inspiration to see, and all the other students here all have the same interest, the same desire to learn, the same desire to grow, and our ability to create beautiful images. And I think really through this month, we've managed to do that. We've created some excellent images, and with Roberto's help, every step of the way, it makes it an easy process. I absolutely recommend the State of Art Academy's Masterclass to anybody who's interested to learn more about architectural visualization, bring your work to the next level. I think it's definitely brought mine to the next level, and I'll have a lot more to study and learn when I go home.
My name is Julia, I'm from Ukraine, and I'm really glad to be here and very excited to have this experience at SoA Academy. First of all, it's a great opportunity to see how real professionals in this field work. I'm happy to learn new programs, apps, and new solutions in our professional. I really enjoyed a lot of lessons. My favorite about photo day and post-productions. Some people work for years and don't know such an important information. This knowledge is extremely valuable. Many thanks to Robert for all of this knowledge and helps, and especially for this inspiration that they share during those classes.